Welcome to math class, my dear kids. I am your teacher Tashveen. Today's lecture overview is that all about numbers. Today we are going to have fun with numbers. My dear kids, let's count with me all these numbers 1 till 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's count again with loud voice. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. My lovely kids, now it's time to learn about backward counting. 20 till 1. Okay, let's count backwards. Today we will learn backward counting. Do you know backward counting means? Counting from a big number to small number. So let's start from 20 and go to 1. Let's count again with me, my dear kids. Backward number 20 till 1. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My dear kids, you can use different objects to count backward and forward. Okay, you make practice with these. You can use marshmallows, you can use paper clips, you can use different pencils, you can use ice cream sticks and so on. Okay kids, here is a practice sheet, worksheet for you. You can write down backward numbers from 20 till 1 on this caterpillar. So after this, you will color this caterpillar as well.